Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how I install the protection film to the pillar of the F56 electric. Basically this is a fairly common problem for the earlier F56 chassis. They develop after a number of months or even years, and technically they should be covered under warranty, but in order to do so you have to send your car in, and for it to be repaired it has to be respray, which means you won't be able to use your car until it's repaired. So the following video is what others have been doing in the forum successfully. You can see right in front of me is the 3M helicopter tape that I bought off eBay, and this template which I found on the F56 mini forum, which somebody has kindly provided. This is like 10 mil times 10 millimeter square. I'll put a link down below. So what I did was just basically overlay that and just use a pen to just sketch it. What I'm going to do next is to cut it off and repeat for the left one. I'll show you how I apply it in the car later on then. So I'm going to apply this film onto here. So this is pre-cut, as you can see. It's very easy. Just make sure you wipe down the area here and align this not sure whether this face here to this ridge here, and there's a notch here you can see. So if you align this and press it down, that should work. It's going to be quite difficult for me to shoot and apply at the same time, so I will show you the results, but you can see that I've made this thing come out already, so I'll show you the end results later on then. You can see that I've installed it, and that is the pen mark that I've marked when I cut, but this is handy. So what you do is just squish the air bubble out. Over time the pen mark will just disappear. But you can see if I do that, if you see closely, you will see that, but it protects the paintwork, so it should be fine. So just push everything out, and then after that just shut the door, and it should be very good. I mean, to be fair, if you use finger, it would work as well. But there you go. I've done the other side. I'll show you later on. But once you've done it, make sure there's no bubble whatsoever, and shut the door. So this is the driver's side. As you can see, you can barely see I've applied a film when there's no pen mark, but this is the outline. Closely, then you can see it, but I should keep it going for hopefully a good number of years.